A wish that came all the way from the roof of the world is about to be fulfilled by KFC's Wish Bucket. In Ladakh, the terrain is desolate. The climate is harsh. And yet, the insurmountable human spirit smiles bright. Kids here learn the 3 hours at school. But what they miss out on are the books and playgrounds that are such an essential part of childhood. When the 17,000 feet foundation dreamt of setting up libraries for schools across the highlands of Ladakh, it sent out a tweet. And KFC answered the little blue birdie.
17,000 feet is about altitude, so which means it's Ladakh. And we work in some very, very tiny and very remote schools of Ladakh. And some of these schools are just 20 or 15 children. Many of these schools don't even have roads. Temperatures drop down to minus 35 degrees, and we do a lot of work in them. We set up libraries, we conduct workshops, train teachers, and what we're also trying to do is give them some basic facilities, something like a playground that none of these kids have. So for us, it's a big deal.
Interestingly, on the 2nd of September, we received this tweet from an NGO called 17,000 Feet that work in remote areas of Ladakh, wishing that can KFC help improve educational facilities in Ladakh. And we were very excited. What a great opportunity. And so we decided to sponsor building some libraries and playgrounds in some schools in remote areas of Ladakh, and feel very privileged that we can participate in this venture.
We've just been told that they've answered our tweet, and we're going to be getting a lot of libraries and playgrounds for Ladakh. It's a dream come true for us.
Well known for its Wish Bucket, KFC listened to the collective wishes of thousands of young hearts in the land of high passes. And so began the plans for the So Good Library. The KFC wall of tweets added building blocks and followers for the So Good Library. Tweets were followed, likes shared, and at the center of it all was the dream to build and deliver the KFC promise to the highest land in the country.
But then we wanted to go a little bit beyond that. So we arranged for this mega picnic that we're going to do in Ladakh on the 10th of September. We're going to take all our food, our fryers, our people, and go and cook a craveable range of food and beverages for kids in remote areas of Ladakh and give them one big KFC treat to make their wish come alive. Congratulate you on the inspirational work that you're doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Setting up the libraries and playgrounds more than 1,200 kilometers from the capital of the country and at an altitude of 11,500 feet requires careful planning, and every little detail counts. The KFC So Good truck is loaded up and all set to crisscross several state lines, negotiate busy roads as well as desolate and rugged terrain to arrive at one of the highest motorable roads in the world. At a height of 11,500 feet above sea level, at Leh, where breathing is an exhausting task, life continues to smile. The rough terrain and altitude make it difficult to get to this part of Jammu and Kashmir. Of the 963 schools in Ladakh, 93% are dotted across its remote and rural land. It is a sheer treat for these children to get their hands on a book or go out to a playground, an experience that doesn't happen very often.
स्कूल जो है 2010 अक्टूबर में मतलब शुरू किया गया था, तो यहाँ बहुत सारे दूर दराज इलाकों से बच्चे आते हैं। जैसे यहाँ सबसे दूर जो है वो अचीनाथा है, जहाँ से बच्चे मतलब 105 किलोमीटर आना जाना डिस्टेंस तय करते हैं। मतलब आने जाने में इनको 2.5 से 3 घंटे लग जाते हैं, तो इसलिए हमें स्कूल जो है वो जल्दी हमें ऑफ करना पड़ता है। प्राइमरी लेवल पे तो जैसे टीचर्स को ट्रेनिंग ज़रूरत होता है, इनफैक्ट किताबों की ज़रूरत होता है, तो इन चीज़ों की यहाँ ले में जैसे आपको पता है कि बहुत सारी मतलब कमी है, तो इसलिए स्कूल भी नया है, तो इन चीज़ों में हमें बहुत मदद की ज़रूरत है। बहुत काफ़ी मतलब प्लेग्राउंड क्योंकि बच्चे जो है 11 साल से नीचे बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ते हैं, तो इनके लिए ज़्यादा जो स्ट्रेस है वो खेलों पर ही दिया जाता है, क्योंकि नर्सरी के बच्चे जो हैं वो ज़्यादा खेल पसंद करते हैं।
चल गुड़िया चला तो चल, चल गुड़िया ऐसे तो चला।
Kids walk to school and run back home, and that seems to be a universal law of childhood. KFC wants to give the kids of Ladakh many fun reasons to get to school and stay there. The school day starts on a happy note, and the kids would like nothing more than some books.
My name is Jachin Raju. मुझको कार्टून वाली बुक, परियों वाली बुक बहुत अच्छी लगती है। मेरा फेवरेट बुक कैटरपिलर है।
बच्चे अभी जो यहाँ बहुत जगह मतलब दूर दूर जगह से आता है, बहुत स्ट्रगल करते हैं। बच्चे इतना स्ट्रगल करते हैं कि वो जाए कि मैं पाठशाला जाऊँ, कुछ सीखूँ टीचर से। तो ये समझ के बहुत दूर से इतना स्ट्रगल करते हैं, नदी पार करते हैं। कभी कभी जो समर की सीज़न में आता है, बाहर कभी इतना पानी आ जाता है, तो उनको बिल्कुल वो ना करके उसके ऊपर से बिल्कुल स्ट्रगल करते हैं।
In yet another Ladakhi school, it's time for the morning assembly. Scrunched eyes, enthusiastic voices raised in harmony. What a wonderful way to start the school day.
We want parents to continue sending their kids to school, and Ladakh is an incredible place. Children, parents value education. We have yet to see a village in all the 372 schools that we surveyed. We have yet to see a village where a child does not go to school. You can't help but support this system. So our kids go to school, our kids love going to school, our kids love the exposure we bring them.
The KFC truck arrives at Leh after a long journey, and now things are starting to fall into place. From the KFC wish bucket to the schools of Ladakh. Don't go anywhere, because after this short break, the kids get to see their library for the very first time. Rain or shine, the KFC truck makes its way to the school. It's finally time to set things up.
When we came to Mumbai, we were very excited about it, but again, there was a lot of doubt in our minds as to how we're going to go about it. You know, something that we've not done in the past, coming to an altitude, having to cook. Yes, it did come with its own set of challenges, but we thought it's not impossible.
The work on the playground for this school is in full swing. It's not easy to break ground in a land so high above the sea level, and it's important that this playground be built well.
I think Wish Bucket, it comes from our brand promise of spreading joy. Our reason to exist is to spread joy to the communities that we are part of. And we're all one community, right? So we take great pride in doing initiatives for the society, where we can see the joy on the faces of these kids. It's amazing when they smile. What we're doing here is we're getting libraries and school playgrounds for them.
there's nothing quite like stacking the shelves of a library with children's books. They'll bring smiles and joy for years to come. What's more difficult than keeping the KFC secret recipe safe? Keeping it safe and cooking up a finger-licking meal for a guest list of 250 students and staff to KFC perfection at an altitude as high as 11,500 feet. The sincerity in a child's smile and giggle makes every effort worthwhile. Dance steps are practiced, songs sung, and a puppet show put in place. The school children have a cultural program planned to thank KFC and the 17,000 Feet Foundation. We'll be right back with the KFC So Good treat for the kids of Ladakh.
आप लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है आज? अब प्रिंसिपल सर आपको बताएं कि कौन आया है और आज क्या स्पेशल होने वाला आपके लिए।
It's the day that everyone has been waiting for, and whispering excitement fills the air as it's finally time to inaugurate the KFC So Good Library and Playground. The cutting of the ceremonial ribbon marks the inauguration of the KFC So Good Library, and the guest of honor is the first to browse through the bright and cheerful room. The thrill of discovering a new story is multiplied when it is read out to a group of children. The KFC So Good Library is finally in session.
क्या नाम है? चिक्की.
No kids event is complete without a whole lot of paper and color and lots of fun.
Black, 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 black. The children head out to their brand new playground. And it's time for some races and sports. And today, everyone is a winner. KFC has a special treat planned for the kids, and the feast is ready to be served. Buddies sharing smiles and a bite of the delicious chicken. This is what KFC is all about.
चिकन में अच्छा लगा, चिकन बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Dressed in their very best, the kids sing and dance, and the KFC crew can't help but join in. Proud parents and teachers watch on as their young ones enjoy the day to its fullest. Kids thrive in the most difficult of circumstances, but to bring them the joy of play and that of books leaves an unforgettable design on their hearts and minds.
This has become quite a large inauguration event for our library and our playground, thanks to KFC. But that said, this is not the only thing that is being done by KFC here. There are 3 more playgrounds being set up in very remote schools. But yes, we have put in a lot of effort in the terms of logistics, in terms of managing teams, and in terms of the size of the school. Books given by 17,000 feet and a playground, all of it funded by KFC.
मैं KFC वाले को मुबारक कहता हूँ, जो आप लोग ने दिल्ली से आके यहाँ पूरा लद्दाख में आप लोग ने ये दिल में रखा है कि लद्दाख में जाके हम स्कूल के बारे में हम थोड़ा सा आप लोग को जानकारी लेंगे। इस लेवल पे हमें बहुत खुशी हुआ है। लद्दाख के लिए ये एक बड़ा मुबारक की बात है।
It's been an amazing, tiring, fulfilling, joyous, high energy day today, and today we've had KFC with us, and KFC is new to Ladakh. KFC doesn't have a presence here. You know, it has its outlets everywhere else, but KFC's done something really amazing. What they've said is, we love your programs, we love what you do, can we help you? And what they've done, they've helped us continue and spread our programs further ahead. The excitement in the children's faces and new books that we carry, which is an excitement level even for the teachers, is something I think what we work for. So thank you KFC, and thanks for that wish bucket reaching here all the way to Ladakh.
So today has been an incredibly exciting day. We've had an event where we set up the playgrounds, inaugurated the playgrounds, inaugurated the libraries. The kids really loved the slides, the swings. We also went onto the slides, and then we hosted a big picnic right here, possibly the highest KFC ever set up in the world. We cooked food for the kids, we served them, they loved it, they had a great time, and I'm sure they as well as us take a lot of memories back from today.
Tomorrow and in the days to come, when the children of Ladakh come to school to learn and to play, they will also open their minds and hearts to countless dreams, and life will be so good.